The banks of the Nile are a place where ancient power rests in plain sight. The Nile crocodile is a living relic, a 4-metre ambush predator with a bite force that could crush bone like chalk. Nothing in this river dares approach those jaws. Nothing, except a small, fearless bird. The Egyptian plover has built its entire survival strategy around the most dangerous mouth in Africa. After feeding, remnants of flesh and sinew become trapped between the crocodile's interlocking teeth. These rotting scraps attract bacteria and parasites, threatening infection in the soft tissue of the gums. The crocodile cannot clean its own mouth. It has no tongue dexterity and no way to dislodge the decay. This is where the plover makes its entrance. The bird lands near the basking crocodile and approaches with a series of deliberate, cautious hops. Then something extraordinary happens. The crocodile opens its jaws wide, voluntarily exposing rows of conical teeth, and holds perfectly still. The plover steps inside. Working methodically, the bird picks decaying meat, leeches and parasites from between the teeth and along the gum line. Its slim beak operates with surgical precision, extracting fragments the crocodile could never reach. For the plover, this is a guaranteed, competition-free meal. For the crocodile, it is a dental cleaning that prevents infection and preserves the integrity of its most vital weapon. The trust required is staggering. One reflexive snap, and the plover ceases to exist. Yet the crocodile remains motionless, jaw locked open, as the bird works inches from its throat. When the cleaning is complete, the plover hops free and the jaws close slowly behind it. In a world governed by brute force, sometimes the bravest creature in the river weighs less than a handful of feathers.